In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Pinterest app on your computer. So if you want to use this app on your computer or on your laptop, then you can easily do this through your Microsoft computer. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using Windows 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other version of Windows computer. Now, to get started, all you need to do is to go and look for Microsoft Store, and from there you'll be able to get your Pinterest app. Now, there are two ways you can find your Microsoft Store. First, if you head down here, you can see we have Microsoft Store here. You can go ahead and click on this icon and it will take you to Microsoft Store. Alternatively, if you can't see this icon, go to Start menu here, and then you should be able to see your Microsoft Store among the productivity tools on your Start menu. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll see quite a number of apps on this Microsoft Store. So look for your app, and if you can't find it, go ahead and search on top here. And as you can see, our Pinterest app is here. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, you can see our app is available. To get this Pinterest app on your computer, go ahead and click on Get. And this will proceed and download the app, and then you can now open it from here. So to open it, just tap on Open, and this will launch your Pinterest app. Now you can create your account or log in from here. Now, each and every time you want to use Pinterest app, you can always come to your desktop. And if you can't see the shortcut for this Pinterest app, just go to Start menu here, and you'll be able to see your Pinterest app among the recently added apps. Now, to make sure that you get your app each and every time you want to use it, just go ahead and right click on Pinterest app and then pin to Start menu. And immediately you can see it will be added to Start menu here. You can move it wherever you want so that you can easily use the app, or you can find the app whenever you want. So that's how you can download and start using your Pinterest app on your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.